Here I've got Doogee Mix, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#, 06#. And that's it. As you can see here, you've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM cards in your device in your Doogee Mix. Click on OK to go back, and now let's go to the second method, which will provide you with both numbers, IMEI and serial number, through the settings. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Here you will notice Status tab, simply open it, and now under IMEI information you will be able to locate both IMEI numbers. And then if you will go back and scroll a bit lower, you will also be able to find serial number of yours. And that's basically all. This is how you can locate both numbers. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.